Hello, this is James Smith. Today I want to talk to you about Gann lines. So you always wonder, okay, how do I know if I've got the right scale? Well, if you're getting active hits as shown by these little arrows, you know you have the right scale. Now, what I want to explain to you is that this line down from high is using a price unit or a scale of 0.2, and the green 2x1 line up from low is using a scale of 0.4, which means that the 2x1 is twice the slope of the 1x1. So by definition, if you see that the 1x1 is offering active resistance and the 2x1 is offering active support, you know you have the right scale. So a 3x1 would be 0.6, etc. But right here, we know something very valuable. We know that, hey, this is working. We have live angles. A live angle is an angle that's showing active support or resistance down from high, up from low, two different Gann angles using a scale that's related to each other. So this is great. This is what we want to see. Now, if we want to take it one step further, we can add the Gann division of the range. Take the swing high, the swing low. Halfway through that is the 50% retracement. Notice here 139.57 is very close to the 1x1 line, and toward the end of August it'll be intersecting with it. So if you were to close below that, then you'd go down here somewhere. If you close above this one, you go up here somewhere. So you keep an open mind for now. You know that you got a couple things to look at: the Gann lines and the Gann retracements. They both offer support and resistance. So we want to look at both. And the more stuff you have going on, the better. So if you look at this chart, we start from this low. We measure degrees up from low on the square of 9. And notice 360 degrees up from low is 142.54. So notice today that was the exact top, or pretty darn close to it, at 142.448. Yeah, basically as close as you can get. So there we go. This square of 9, if you think about the square of 9, it's that chart with, you start with 1 at the center, you rotate outward, and you go outward to infinity. We're using a scale of 1 point on the square of 9. So here we have it, price unit 1 point. So that is the square of 9 starting from a low. You can actually start from a high and go down, or start from a low and go up. In this case, we chose to start from a low, and we measured degrees up from that low, and we found that 142.54 is active resistance. So here we have three things going on. We have the Gann lines, which I've shown you. We have the division of the range, which I already showed you on that prior chart, right? Here's the division at 142.67. And we have the square of 9, 360 degree line at 142.54. So there's a lot of resistance right in here in order for it to break out to the upside. And there's support here on the 2x1 line, and also the 315 degree line at 136.63. And if we go back, we had support at 139.57 on the division of the range, the 50% mark. So we've got a couple of things, three things to look at here in terms of price that are important. We also look at time, but that's a story for another day. Right now, I just want to show you three different tools for Gann: square of 9, the division of the range, and the Gann lines themselves. And the more tools you use, the better off you're able to isolate active resistance and support. So keep that in mind when you're doing your Gann charts. Note here, if you register to my website, you get a couple of free reports, and I put you on a mailing list to receive emailed reports every so often. Once in a blue moon, I will send out a free report to anyone who registers to the website. But the big thing is, keep it going. If you want to learn Gann, this is a good start on dollar yen. If this is not a market that you're interested in, note that on the website we cover Forex, bonds, stocks, commodities, crypto, pretty much everything. So if you want to learn Gann, you can first thing register to the website. But if you really want to learn it quickly, you become an active member, subscribe. You hit the shop button on the website, upper right corner, and you try it out for 3 months and see how it goes. You can learn a lot of Gann in 3 months. I do these videos for clients on the website for any market that they're interested in. So you will learn Gann very quickly. Think about it. Good luck in your trading and your Gann studies.